Hello friends, welcome to Bhadra IAS online for the Nagaland Civil Services course, right? So for the Nagaland Public Service Commission, the NPSC program, right? Bhadra IAS online brings you this course and the video lecture series where we are going to discuss about various topics, and in this video we are going to take the topic of science, right, which is in the syllabus, where we will discuss about motion and types of motions. Also here you can see in the screen our contact number where you can contact us and get the details about the course, the fees and other related issues, right? So let's begin with our topic, that is motion and types of motion. So here in the beginning, if we see what is a motion, it is simply a change in position of an object with time, right? So with respect to time, the object will change its position from one point to another, that is known as motion. And therefore, depending how the object is moved, it can be classified into different types. Motion physically can be described in the terms of displacement, distance, velocity, acceleration, time and speed. Okay. We can also classify motions on the basis of path, periodicity and object's speed. Based on the path, we can describe the motions into translatory, rotatory, circular, oscillatory, vibratory motions. Based on the periodicity, there are two types, that is periodic and non-periodic motion. Based on the speed, the motion can be defined as uniform and non-uniform motion, right? Also you can see in the diagram, motion basically it is a displacement of an object from point A to point B, but it can have different paths. So here are the different paths, path 1, 2 and 3. Depending on the path, again the time taken, the speed, the distance will vary, and therefore the motions can be classified. So here itself it is written that the motion can be classified as distance, displacement, speed and time. These are the four parameters where the motion can be classified. And now in detail we will see the types of motions. So very first type of motion is simple harmonic motion. The simple harmonic motion is basically an oscillatory motion. You can see in a pendulum where the pendulum swings from one end to another, right, and it comes to the rest at the middle of the path. So motion of a pendulum can be called as simple harmonic motion or oscillatory motion. Then we have periodic motion, where the motion repeats at equal intervals of time. Okay, so just like you can see, the example is a bouncing ball, vibrating tuning fork, swinging motion and the earth orbiting around the sun. So these are repeated periodically and are known as periodic motion. Apart from this, linear motion is a motion in a straight path or a linear path is known as linear motion. Reciprocating motion you can see in the engines, that is any IC engine, you can see the piston moves from back to forth or up and down, reciprocating through and forth. After that, random motion, which can be seen in the atoms and molecules, where the molecules and atoms particles are at random movement, and therefore it can be seen in the atoms and molecules. Circular motion will always have a circular path, circular movement, right, and it will rotate. Curvilinear motion, where the motion is along the curve but it not moves around a straight line, it will always have a curved path. After that, rolling motion, where we will have a rolling movement and linear movement also. Oscillation, it is a process of swinging, that is from again one end to another end. Projectile motion, where we are throwing a projectile and it will fall at the earth's surface or to a particular distance having a particular trajectory. Okay, so these are the motions and the types of motions that are discussed in this videos. I hope that you have understood. Similar videos will bring it to you. Be with us till then. Thank you so much.